I have four wheels and move people around. Am I a car or a bed? The answer is car. I grow in the garden and smell sweet. Am I a rose or a rock? That's right, it's rose. I can swim but I'm not a fish. I quack when I talk. Am I a duck or a cat? The correct answer is duck. I am cold, white, and fall from the sky. Am I snow or rain? Yes, it's snow. I shine in the sky during the day. Am I the sun or the moon? The answer is Sunday. I can be eaten, I grow on trees, and I am yellow. Am I a banana or a tomato? That's right, it's banana. I can carry heavy things. I have a long arm. Am I a crane or a dog? The correct answer is crane. I bark loudly and guard the house. Am I a cat or a dog? Yes, it's dog. I'm a fruit that keeps the doctor away. Am I an apple or a carrot? The answer is apple. I light up a dark room. Am I a lamp or a pillow? That's right, it's lamp. I fly high and carry passengers. Am I a plane or a train? The correct answer is plane. I have a tail and love to climb trees. Am I a monkey or a lion? Yes, it's monkey.